So konnichiwa everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to talk about my Redgear Highline wired controller. So let's get started. So I was planning to buy a controller from a couple of days for my PC, and since this was to be my first ever controller, so I was on a budget like around I could spend only 1000 rupees on a controller, and there were a few more options available like the Cosmic Bite Interstellar or the Anti-Sports, but I chose this because they were not available in my locality actually. So I got this package from Amazon yesterday only, and I'm really very excited for this. So let's start with the unboxing part. So this is the box of the Redgear Highline wired controller, and as you can see the quality of this box is not very nice because of the packaging by Amazon. That's not my fault guys, that's Amazon's fault. Blame Amazon for this. Not a nice packaging from Amazon. 1-star rating for the packaging. Okay, so leave that. So some of the highlights mentioned over here like improved design, supports plug and play function, supports PC USB 2.0. Oh, it doesn't support 3.0. 12 fire buttons, 4 axis, new improved vibration. Yeah, it gets dual vibration motors, and I'll show you that in a bit. And compatible with Windows 8. Actually, it's compatible with Windows 10 too. They haven't mentioned here. So this is some basic information for the controller which I won't read, and USB 2.0 written over here and all that stuff. Cable 1.8 meters, 10 keys and 2 analog sticks. So let's not waste our time and unbox this. Actually it didn't get a seal, I don't know why. So when I open the box, I get this controller which I'll keep aside, and this manual. I don't know who reads this manual. And there is a CD for installing drivers, and I guess you won't need this because Windows 10 already supports the already supports this controller, so you won't have to install extra drivers for this. And I don't know who uses this disk all these days. So guys, let's get back to our controller. I'll keep this aside and this. Okay, so this is the first look of our controller. Redgear written over here. There is X, Y and AB switches. I don't know what are these called. And this is a D-pad. These are 2 analog sticks. This is turbo button, mode button, start select. Typical of PS3 controller. And you get L1, L2 and R1, R2 controllers over here, and this is a 1.8 meter USB cable which you get with this. Pretty nice controller actually. And actually I realized that this, if you press this is also a button, and it actually works in game. If you try in any other game, I have tried with some games, it works. I thought that it would be a defect in my piece, but that's actually a button. And there are some LED indicators for the mode. I'll come to that in a bit. So guys, there are 2 different kinds of modes which you get in this controller. One is the direct input mode and the other is the X input mode. So the direct input mode supports older games or some of the fewer games also, and the X input mode supports all the majority of the games available right now. So you can switch between the modes by pressing this mode button for about a few seconds like this, and the LED will shift from first to second or second to first depending on the mode you choose. So by default you get the X input mode active. You can switch between it by pressing the mode button for 5 to 7 seconds. So guys, I've made a gaming channel also, so you can check that out. I'll leave the link of that channel in the description also, and you can see it over here or over here also on the I button. Click on the I button so you can go to that channel, and the channel's name is actually Frozen Falcon, so you can check that out and subscribe to Techie Ajinkya also. So what time it is guys, it's gaming time, so let's so let's play some games with this controller. Let's get started. So guys, as I said, this controller supports vibration and has a dual vibration motor, so I'll just try to show you how the vibration works. So by the way, the game which I'm playing is Assassin's Creed Rock, so I'll just focus on the controller. Focus. So I'm using one hand for the tripod and the other for the controller, so excuse me for that. So I'll just take the wheel and speed up, and I'll just try to show you the vibration. Actually, I don't know if you can hear it, so it is vibrating now also. I don't know if you can feel the vibration, but I can feel it very strongly, and it's a really very amazing experience when you feel the vibration on the hand. Actually, it's really amazing. And when you shoot with the cannons, actually it gives a vibration, and it's really nice. So it gives you a nice experience when you play games with such vibration features, and it's a really very amazing experience if you play games with this controller, and I highly recommend this controller for you all guys. Alright guys, that's all for the video now. Hey, you please stop now. So alright guys, that's all for the video now. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for some more content like this. And if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you like to buy a controller for around 1000 rupees, you can go with this one. And that's all for now. Bye bye.